viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to also discuss about Coinbase wallet, and in this video we are going to connect our Coinbase wallet with decentralized exchange. Yes, sometimes you don't need to use centralized exchange, so you can also use decentralized exchange. We have already discussed about DYDX decentralized exchange, but today we are going to also connect it over Coinbase wallet with GMX. The GMX is decentralized application or decentralized exchange. You can easily connect and you can easily trade from your directly Coinbase wallets. So please must watch this video till end. This video is also very informative for you. Before going to start this video, subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So if you see here, I'm going to click on YouTube videos portion, and our second last video is DYDX. How can you connect fast your Coinbase wallet with DYDX? But the main problem is that DYDX only support Ethereum chain. So some subscribers sent to me message and they wants to connect their wallets with that exchange, which is support almost 2 or 3 chains. So that I search about the decentralized exchange. So GMX is best exchange if you need to connect your wallet, and you can easily use the 3 chains and you can easily trade. Okay. So today we are going to connect our wallet. First you need to connect your wallet. You can see here right top corner our wallet is shown here. I'm going to enter my password here. I just enter and click on unlock. Now my wallet is open in front of me, and you can see here I have not any balance, so no problem for me. So if you need to trade directly from your wallet to decentralized exchange, you must have the balance. Okay, but this video is only for education purpose, so that I just give you information how can you connect your wallet with decentralized exchange GMX. This is very secure for you if you don't need to use centralized exchange like Binance, KuCoin, or any other exchange which is decentralized. So I recommend it to you if you have balance in your wallet, so you can directly connect your wallet with that exchange which is support your wallets, and you can easily trade. Okay, now my wallet is open in front of me. I'm going to open CoinJacko directly. You know, CoinJacko is cryptocurrency related website, and today Bitcoin price is $27,000, almost $27,000 plus. Yes, the Ethereum price is 1600 plus. So I'm going to say the top 100 list GMX is ranking available or not. So going to check. Yes, you can see here they're shown DYDX and not shown. Yes, you can see here the on 98 number GMX exchange is shown in front of me, and this time the price of that coin $39, and total supply and total volume as well here. I am just going to click on GMX website or directly icon, and now the all information available on this page, on one page. You can see here if I'm going to check the maximum the price of this token, so the maximum price is $88 almost, and today price is $30. and this exchange launch are October 21, October almost. And if we are going to price and ratio, you can see here 56% down from the all-time high. It's depend on you. You can easily trade this token on these exchanges, Binance, Minex, Bitgate. It's depend on you. I'm not giving to any financial advice. Okay. GMX token can be traded on centralized crypto exchanges. The most popular exchange to buy and trade GMX is BingX, and also you can use this exchange for decentralized trading. So now you can see here gmx.io. This is the official website. I'm going to click on it, and now GMX.io is open in front of me. Decentralized Perpetual Exchange Trade BTC, Ethereum, AVAX, and other top cryptocurrency with up to 50x leverage directly from your wallet. And you can see here, this time is support with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Avalanche Exchange, and also I think Solana. But when I'm going to connect my wallet, after that we will check. Total trading volume is available here, open interest available here, and total user available here. And you can also get more information about this exchange from the main page, and you can see here Arbitrum also available and Avalanche also available. So let's suppose I'm going to click on launch application because I need to connect my wallet with this GMX exchange. And also voting power available here, also governance, and you must read the protocols. So I have not much time for discuss about this tab. So simple click on launch app, and you are running gmx.io, and you will be redirected to third party independent website. So I'm going to click on don't show this message for 30 days active. Sorry, agree. After that, you can see here the exchange main interface is open front of me, and there's shown Ethereum versus USD. And let's suppose you want to connect your wallet, so you can see here right top corner available option is available here, connect a wallet. Simple click on connect a wallet. When you click on connect a wallet, so you can see here there's many wallets available here, which is you can connect like Ravi, MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Core, and Coinbase wallet. The fifth number is available Coinbase wallet, so simple click on it. When you click on it, so pop-ups will be open front of you. Simple is that. And now read the all information before going to connect your wallet. I'm going to click on connect our wallet. Now as you can see here, we have successfully connected our Coinbase wallet with decentralized exchange GMX. And if I'm going to cross check my wallet is connected or not, you can see here our wallet address is shown here. Our wallet is shown here, and you can now trade the any coin which is you have in your wallet. And you can see here the supported chain is available here. If you click on this icon, so you can use Arbitrum Avalanche also. Okay, and you can also use the setting option, so you can select the allowed slippage and maximum execution fee buffer. It's depend on you can also select, but I recommended to you can select the standard. And if I'm going to click on Ethereum option, so you can see here there you can trade Ethereum USD, BTC USD, Link USD, and Uniswap USD. Almost you can use bit. Also you can buy Bitcoin from this exchange directly, and you can also buy Ethereum and also buy Link. So viewers, I hope you properly understand how can you trade or how can you buy your coin from directly decentralized exchange. And you can also earn option available here. Simple click on it. You can see here you can also stake your coin. It's depend on you. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you get any information like in Urdu language, So you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wars. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.